Winston, I need you back here at the HQ to clean some things away. About time, Mr. Green. See this, Winston? This is a propane tank. With Christmas around the corner, and people want to gather the family by their fancy gas-fueled fireplaces. I've been driving around Emerald Grove all morning selling this stuff. There's a few puffs left, and just enough for the stove in the office. Spread some warmth. While I'm doing that, you are to take the empty tank back to the old warehouse. Put that thing in the warehouse until next year. Winston, do you read me? There seems to have been a slight mix-up with the propane tanker. Someone might mistakenly have sold military-grade napalm. Never mind returning the tank to the warehouse. I need you to collect all of the napalm before all of suburbia goes up in flame. Head for Emerald Grove while I dig up the receipts. Winston, do you hear me? As soon as dinner is over, all those families will want to cozy up in front of their fireplace. I need you to collect all the napalm before then, or houses will start going up in flames. I found the first receipt. It's from Mr. and Mrs. Donaldson. Go, go, go! There, Winston. See the nozzle sticking up from the lawn? Attach the hose from the tank to it, and I'll start sucking the napalm up. What did you say, Winston? Oh, well, you stop complaining. What does it matter if there's a small leak in the tank? Focus on driving. I've got the next address coming up. Next up is the Nortons. Hurry over there, Winston. So, Winston, you might want to keep the car moving while you pump up the napalm from now on. It seems as if something caused the drops of napalm you've left to ignite. If you're not careful, it'll catch up with you, which would be unfortunate. Okay.
Well, that didn't go as planned. This is a scratch. Well, that didn't go as planned.
This is a scratch.
Just a scratch. Jackpot. I better be more careful. Damn!
Thank God, I never thought you'd manage it, Winston. Now hurry up and get rid of the evidence. We can't afford to get fined for selling highly flammable chemicals to the public. Hurry and head for Alabaster Point.
Damn.
Seriously, Winston? That explosion just wiped out half the lake! You know what else was in there? Fish, Winston, fish! That was my favorite fishing spot, and I'd rather not have my fish served pre-roasted. Now, thanks to you, I might as well pack up my tackle box for good.
Oops.